Imagine a serpentine structure snaking through mountains, deserts, and grasslands, spanning over 13,000 miles. Welcome to the Great Wall of China, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Built over 2,000 years ago, it's a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. This colossal fortification has stood the test of time, weathering wars, invasions, and natural disasters. Its purpose? Protection. It served as a defense line against nomadic tribes from the north. But it's more than just a wall. It's a symbol of China's rich history, its determination, and its will to survive and thrive. It's a beacon that draws millions of tourists each year, each leaving with their own unique story. Visit the Great Wall of China, where every brick tells a tale of courage, struggle, and triumph. Experience the wonder of ancient architecture that's as breathtaking today as when it was first built. And remember, history isn't just about the past, it's about understanding our present and shaping our future.